The mobility of tomorrow is at the heart of our thinking about sustainable cities. In Strasbourg, environmentally friendly and active travel is strongly encouraged. However, the city remains congested with cars in the morning and evening. Highway A35 is saturated at the heart of the urban area. All of the flows converge towards the center, although the urban development is now polycentric. In 2030, the bypass infrastructures that are currently in planning will have been built and will make it possible to offload the A35. In addition, Eiffage is developing its analysis of the mobility of tomorrow based on a real change in behavior. The access to the center is slowed down and regulated. Personal vehicle traffic is forbidden in the center of the city and is given back to pedestrians. Relay parking lots on the periphery are created to organize the modular transfer, and journeys are distributed via a circular inter-neighborhood route. This route serves the universal halls, new central points serving the first ring of suburbs and the city center. At the heart of the urban area, the creation of a model transfer pole called the Hub of People and an urban distribution center called the Hub of Merchandise contribute to the efficiency of the types of transport on offer under a single organizing authority. At the crossroads of multiple transport infrastructures, road, rail, tramway, bus, the pole of the TGV station becomes the hub of people. Stores and a wide range of services make it a place for meeting and living to bring renewed activity to the Gare-Basse neighborhood. The development of an intensive use area makes it possible to superimpose service sector and housing programs on logistical and transport functions, favoring densification and diverse use of spaces. A set of developed terraces defines the contours of the intensive use area and reinforces the attractiveness of this side of the station, which opens towards the west of the city. When they arrive by TGV, passengers going towards the Gare-Basse go through corridors occupied by small stores. These paths are illuminated by wells of natural light, and they open onto a hall suggesting the access to the central terrace of the plaza. Car drivers access parking lots grouped around the inter-neighborhood route to transfer to a clean mode of transport. Within the hub, TGV, tramway, bus, cars for car sharing, taxis and bicycles are readily available. Paths provide access to an attractive and varied landscape space located behind the ramparts of the city, banks of the canal, green areas and family gardens. To the west, the users have direct access to the inter-neighborhood route composed of sports, bicycle and pedestrian paths and a reserved lane public transportation system going through the exchange area. Modular and autonomous electrical vehicles called modulos take passengers, goods or wastes to the universal halls. This new system reduces still further the use of vehicles in the city center. The plaza of the hub offers a peaceful atmosphere conducive to well-being and quality of life. It includes meeting spaces, information terminals, developed terraces and landscaped spaces. The use of environmentally friendly transport becomes a reflex for everyone, regardless of their needs. The small car-sharing vehicles pass among the pedestrians with no danger, alongside entirely modular new-generation bicycles. Looking ahead to 2050, Eiffage is supplementing its scenario of plural mobilities. The A35 is locally requalified as an urban boulevard and modulos transport users directly on the inter-neighborhood route. The decrease in nuances relating to the road traffic has freed up land and allowed the completion of the urban densification around the center of Strasbourg. New neighborhoods have appeared on the docks of the port, bringing Strasbourg and Kehl a little bit closer together. With the inter-neighborhood route, it is now possible to go from one end of the city center to the other in less than 15 minutes. In 2050, the Hub of People has become a pivot of European mobility between Paris and Budapest, while the Hub of Merchandise now handles 50% of the logistical flows of the agglomeration and organizes ecological urban distribution.